Here's how to fix high ping spikes in Windows 11. So first you'll need to right click on Windows icon and then open the run, and then here type reg edit and then press OK. Now confirm to open the registry, and now you will need to navigate to the following path. So it's gonna be local machine and software and Microsoft, and then Windows NT. Look for Windows NT, and then the current version, then multimedia, which is this one, and then system profile, and then double click on the network throttling index, and you should set this value to 8Fs. If it's not, you will need to select any value in here and type F, 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 and FF again. Make sure it's 8 times. And then make sure it's hexadecimal and then press OK. And now you can simply close this. And now you will need to right click and open the task manager, and then go to services, and then maximize this and click on open services. And now we will look for a service called WLAN autoconfig. So I'm going to press W in here, and then look for this one, WLAN autoconfig, and now double click on it and make sure the startup type is set to automatic. And if it's stopped, you can press start the service. Now then click apply and OK. We will also need to do the same for WWAN autoconfig. So I'm gonna double click on it and then select startup type automatic, and then start the service if it's already stopped. Now click apply and OK. And now we can simply close this one, then close the task manager, and then right click and open terminal but in admin. So we're gonna right click on Windows icon and then click on terminal admin, where you can search for CMD and run it as admin, and it should open this command line. Now we will need to type net sh win sock reset, press enter, and next we will need to type net sh space int space ip space reset and press enter, and next type ipconfig space / release and then press enter, and now ipconfig space / renew, then press enter and then wait for it. Now we will need to type ipconfig for space / flush DNS, press enter. Now you can simply close out of this, then close the registry editor, and then look for network settings, or you can go to the settings and then go to network and internet in here, and then click on Ethernet, and then edit the IPv4, which is going to be the DNS server assignment for the IPv4, and then make sure you enable IPv4 and use the preferred DNS 8.8.8.8 for the primary one, and for the alternate DNS it is going to be 8.8.4.4, and make sure DNS over HTTPS is off on both DNS servers, and then click on save. And now you can simply just restart your PC, and that should fix your high ping problems. That's it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.